And it is time for More Than Banking, sponsored by KTVB Credit Union. Janus Inc. is a nonprofit organization that has been serving Idahoans for 50 years. Their mission is changing lives through public policy, community health, and economic opportunity. Through 20 programs and initiatives, Janus serves over 50,000 people through direct services in every corner of the state. Kelly Parker, Director of Economic Opportunity by Janus, joins us now to tell us how they are serving the community. And it's great to have you here, first of all, Kelly.
Thank you.
All
it's
right.
Great to be here.
Okay, so tell us more, though, about Economic Opportunity, its mission and its vision.
So Economic Opportunity is the financial advancement and business development program for Janus. And our mission is to empower individuals to realize economic mobility. And we do that through individualized services and support. And we do it throughout the state of Idaho. Most of our services are available to anyone who is seeking financial advancement or business development. But since our inception, which is about 23 years ago,
wow,
we do have programs specific to our refugee community. Those are sponsored by a federal program and enhanced through private donors and grants.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
So you're really helping them put the best foot forward for a bright future.
Yes.
And their new start
Yep.
here in our country.
Exactly.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Tell us more about the services and programs that you offer.
So we have a set of free services, including one-on-one coaching and technical assistance, as well as education classes on financial literacy and business development. We're also lucky enough to have microlending in our toolbox, which allows us to provide low-interest loans for small business startups and credit building. And because we're an SBA intermediary, it goes up to $50,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a really
for a
good
micro
chunk of
business,
cash.
it's not bad.
Yes, yeah.
And then we have a special program for our home-based childcare businesses specific to refugee families, which is really important. When they enter this country, they want to stay home with their children, and this allows them to bring in an income. So we walk them through the certification process, help them open and run their small home business.
That's beautiful, too. Okay, and tell us, too, about KTVB Credit Union, how they've been able to support your nonprofit.
KTVB Credit Union is a wonderful partner and a long-term supporter of the refugee child care program. They have allowed us to expand our learning environments for our providers and the children. And this year they have expanded their support to include the families that these providers support. So as a team, Economic Opportunity realized we have the benefit of accessing the parents and these older children and can easily offer classes around money management and improving their credit, which is important for anyone to advance their finances, but it's such a foreign concept when you're new to country. And KTVB is the best partner for this because they get this concept, they're experts in this area, and they have a wonderful library for first-time learners. So those are tools and
yes,
is really important.
That's one thing I love about KTVB. We've spoken many times about their extensive education resources, which is great. What type of impact have you seen, though, in regards to that child care-based business, all that you're offering?
Yeah, the impact is pretty great whenever you have culturally sensitive, quality, safe child cares in the home. For our refugee folks especially, it helps them broaden and deepen their network, supporting their community, and it allows them to bring in an income to help make them self-sustaining as a family.
Yes.
We service about 30 providers right now, and they average about 6 child seats per, and so that's a healthy number that helps provide access where we have a challenge in our community for childcare at this time. So that's a good, nice impact. And of course, anyone who takes us up on our other services, we help them grow their business and improve their credit, which opens up doors.
Love that. Yeah. And I mean, it's so important to have that financial stability.
Really is.
Right, and that security that's really needed for everyone, let alone if you're just starting out in a new foreign land, right? All right, well, I do want to say thank you so much for everything that Janus has done here in the Idaho community. And how can people, though, watching also help our community members? How can they get involved and support this really important work that you're doing?
We're always looking for volunteers who want to offer their skills in coaching or teaching financial education. And we, of course, are donation-based, so all of those opportunities are on our website at eojanus, JANNUS.org.
Wonderful. Kelly, thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa.
And again, thank you. Thank you for all the wonderful resources that you're providing. All right, everyone, stick around. More to come right here on Idaho Today right after the break.